This is why you feel like garbage the day after just 2 drinks, and it's not what you think. A groundbreaking Stanford study just revealed something disturbing. Even moderate drinkers who enjoy just a glass or 2 of wine with dinner are experiencing up to 65% reduction in critical nutrients. As a clinical nutrition expert, let me explain what this means for your long-term health. It's not about quitting alcohol completely, and I'm definitely not here to make you feel guilty about enjoying that glass of wine with dinner or those weekend drinks with friends. But what if I told you there's a hidden pattern of damage happening in your body right now that affects nearly everyone who drinks, even socially? Most people have no idea that even moderate drinking depletes critical nutrients your liver, brain, and nervous system depend on to function properly. Here's what happens. Just 1 or 2 drinks immediately begin draining your body of essential B vitamins, magnesium, and your body's master antioxidant, glutathione. A groundbreaking Stanford study found that moderate drinkers experience up to a 65% reduction in crucial liver-supporting nutrients after just 8 weeks. Even more alarming, these deficiencies can persist for up to 72 hours after your last drink. So if you enjoy a glass of wine on Friday and another on Sunday, your body never fully recovers. This creates what I call a biological debt that silently accumulates over time. Have you ever felt increasingly fatigued or foggy-headed the day after drinking, even though you didn't have that much? Worried about what alcohol might be doing to your health long-term? Promised yourself you wouldn't drink tonight only to reach for that glass anyway? If you answered yes to any of these questions, you're experiencing the effects of what I've identified in my research as the 4 pillars of alcohol vulnerability. Most people, and even most doctors, don't understand how these nutrient deficiencies create a vicious cycle, making moderate drinking increasingly harmful over time. But here's the breakthrough. Recent NIH research revealed that replenishing specific nutrients in precise ratios can reduce alcohol-related liver stress by up to 57%. What if you could protect your future health without giving up your social life? What if there was a science-backed solution that's already helped over 23,000 people repair their bodies from alcohol? Click below to discover the revolutionary approach that health-conscious drinkers are using to support their liver, boost their energy, and protect their long-term health, all while still enjoying that glass of wine.
Alcohol affects our body chemistry, our nutrient levels, and ultimately our health. I'm not going to lecture you about giving up alcohol completely. I'm not going to make you feel guilty about enjoying a glass of wine with dinner or having drinks with friends on the weekend. And I'm certainly not going to tell you that you need to choose between your social life and your health. What I am going to share with you today is a breakthrough discovery that explains why some people can drink regularly with virtually no health consequences, while others suffer significant damage from even moderate consumption. This revelation has already helped over 23,000 men and women repair from alcohol by supporting their liver health, energy levels, and overall well-being. And in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how it can do the same for you.